Unang laglag, pula. Dagdag puntos, bughaw. Time's up. Pwesto. Hatol. Panalo bughaw. Congratulations in blue armor, ACB. Now please proceed to the awards. Are you now ready for bantamweight girls? Mga grade 2A in blue armor versus Bislig 1B in red armor. Please prepare. Bislig 2C in red armor, blue armor. Bislig 2C, Real Love Princess Lao. In red armor, SBPDC, Carnella Marie Lumasa. Again, please prepare for match number 5, bantamweight girls. Bislig 2C in blue armor, Real Love Princess Lao. SBPDC in red armor.